Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 2022 on the left upper corner and 31 variant question number 4. So what is question number 4 we have? So we have here fundamental tan and here nothing. So let's start. First of all, I tell you what is fundamental law of tan. So if you some student have no idea, I write here. So A plus B, how to expand it? So formula is tan A plus tan B divided by one opposite sign of this, I mean minus and the product of both values. So this is a formula you have to memorize. Tan A times 2 tan B. And now I'm using the same formula here. So let's start. So first of all, A value is X and B value is 45. Very clear. So tan X plus tan 45 divided by 1 always come and opposite sign of this become minus and the product of both values. I mean tan X into tan 45 done and equals to what, student? 2 times 2 cot. Cot is a cos over sine, but it's not effective here. I will write 1 by 10, although you know we have a two choices. Hold on, I tell you both. Cot have a two values. One is a cos over sine and one cot value is 1 over 10. Now question comes which we have to choose. My question from you, what we have a tan or not? Yeah, tan, tan, tan and 10. So when we have all values 10 available, then we can't use sine over cos or cos by sine. Why? Because in this way, cos by sine will affect the question. So 1 over 10 is the best choice. So now this 2 multiply up. Some student by mistake, they multiply up and they multiply down also. So be careful, 10 2 has a nothing under it, it has 1 under it. So 1 multiply with this, 2 multiply with the up. So it means 2 multiply with up value only. So it turned to be 2 over 10x. So I'm discussing common mistakes of algebra, and tan 45 if type in calculator give you 1. So tan x plus 1. And same story, tan x is copying here as it is. And tan 45 is 1. 1 time to this remains same. Now only which one choice? This will whole multiply with that and this whole multiply with this. So tan into tan gives us tan square x. Tan into 1 will give us tan x. And this one multiplied there, I get 2. And this multiplied with the 2, I get a negative 2 tan x. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, up till here, I believe you got a point clear. Now I bring both values left side. So first of all, I'm writing tan square x. Now this negative 2 comes this side, 1 tan already present, and plus 2 become plus 3 tan x. 2 come left hand side, become negative 2, that's it. Now we have two choices. You can assume tan x equal to y, or you can write directly even. So I think some students feel okay if I say that, let tan x is equals to k. So this become k, and if I put a square of both, become k square. I believe you got a point. Here I'm writing here k square. Here I'm writing 3k and negative 2 is equals to 0. I have one choice only, apply a quadratic formula, negative b plus and minus, and don't show full working. Just show the step and afterwards directly give answer. Okay, I'm getting two answers from here. So this is 8 plus 9, 17 root. So negative 3 plus and minus root 17 over 2. Okay, let me check again. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Correct. So I have two choices now. So one value is coming and I will plug in because this k value is equal to 10. So this value will go one time here. So I'm writing here tan x is equals to negative 3 plus root 17 over 2. And second options, tan x equal to negative 3 negative root 17 over 2. But you can type in 3SF also, no problem at all. Or I mean in decimal values that I talk about. Okay, if you keep in fraction for this format, even no issue at all. But I think so I should type it better. You feel relaxed then. Okay, let me type for you. Negative 3 plus root 17 and then whole value divided by 2. And I'm getting here first answer of tan x is 0.56155. Hold on 1 minute please. You know my habit, I always type very long values for more accuracy. This is the main task. And let me check once again. Hold on. Yes, this is correct. Now afterwards, I type this in calculator. Okay, students, so let me check what I get with negative answer. So I'm getting tan x is equals to negative 3.56155. So as long values much, so it is give more accurate answer. And you know, students, we have a cast property. Some students have no idea. I repeat again, we done in AS level CAST cast. So cast property. What does cast property means? C for cos, A for all, T for S for sine, and T for tan. Okay, now first of all, concentrate, and because this question we have a tan only, I will discuss only tan. So let's start. You know, student, was a very clear approach. I'm going to show you this concept. All means all positive. So whatever tan, tan is positive here and tan is positive here. According to rule, so one tan positive here. I talk about tan only. I don't talk about sine or cos. And it is a very clear approach. And wait a minute, please. I have some issue, and that's my correct. Yes, student, this is tan positive because all positive means tan positive. Okay, tan means tan positive. So this is done. Okay, at this point, we have sign positive. But what about tan negative? Here, cos positive. What about tan negative? So that is why when I make a line like this, you can see a line. So here tan negative, here tan negative. So can you see this tan to a negative sign? So I will make a this cross here. So let me shift this cross there. So this cross, this whole cross, I'm shifting it here. Okay, and you see, can you see this tan positive here, plus sign? So this cross I will shift here. So you can see this cross, I'm shifting it here. Okay, and get ready, and now I will solve further. How to solve further? So this is, let's see, first of all, I will take a cos tan inverse of this. But please do one favor, don't take negative sign. So look, I show you. And hold on, this cast property I erase. Okay, I will take this value like alpha for a while alpha. You can take any letter, not alpha. Tan inverse 3.56155, and don't include minus sign. Okay, so now I'm typing in calculator. Hold on, please. Let me check. Tan inverse and 3.56155, and my alpha is coming 74.3 degree, and this angle you will make line and x-axis here and line and x-axis here. So I will write with the blue color 74.3 and 74.3. And student, this is done. So let's talk about what is the rule of measurement. Start from positive x-axis and move anti-clockwise till 9, and here, and the second answer is here, but this out of range. How no out of range? Because he mentioned till 180 degree, and this is a crossing 180 degree, so this is out of the range. This answer is out of range, so I will not leave it. I will not take it, sorry. I will take this only. How much this one? All of students know this 74.2. Repeat. This angle 74.2. What is this one? So you know, student, on a straight line, total angle is 180 degree. So from 80 subtract 74.3, I will get this my answer. So this is done, and I'm writing final answer here. And x I will bring back from here, and 180 minus 74.3. So when I subtract 180 minus answer, I'm getting here answer is 105.7 degree. This my answer come from here. Let's talk about disk situation, students. For a while, I will take alpha. You know it very well what I'm saying. Tan will go there, become tan inverse, and 0.56155. Okay, let me type in calculator. So when I type tan inverse 0.56155, my answer is coming here, the 29.3 degree. So this angle I will make here, and I will make here. I will write here 29.3 and 29.3. So student, first answer is from here till here, second is from here till here. But this is out of range. Why I'm writing out here? Because he said that till 180. Don't cross 180. This is a 180 and this is a crossing it. So I will not take this answer. Okay. So this is my answer only directly. I'm writing bring x back, and my answer is coming 29.3. And I believe the point is very, very clear, and the question is completely over.